Hello, so we want to find the derivative of this trigonometric function here. All right. Solution. So, using chain rule, let x be this, let u be this, let u equal to 2x plus 5. Hence, our du dx is equal to what? 2. Hence, our y is equal to sine inverse of u. Hence, our du, dy, du is. Okay, now from here, we have sine inverse of u. So what's the derivative? Let's solve it somewhere. We need to get our dy du. So this y equal to what? Sine inverse of u. From this is the same thing as y equal to what? 1 over what? Sine u. Okay, sine times u. Right? Because of this inverse, this will come down. This will cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you have sine y equal to u. Right? From this, you now differentiate using the knowledge of implicit differentiation. Right? Use the knowledge of implicit differentiation. Here we have, if you differentiate sine, you get cos. Cos y dy dx. If you differentiate, not dy dx, dy du. dy du. If you differentiate this with respect to u, you have 1. Good. You cross multiply again because you need to make dy dx the solid of the formula. dy du the solid of the formula. Hence, dy du is equal to 1 over cos y. So at this stage now, we can't leave our answer this way. We can't leave our answer this way. So since we can't leave our answer this way, we recall this trigonometric identity that from trigonometric identity that sine square y plus cos square y is equal to 1. Hence, you need to make cos y the surrogate of formula and substitute the value of cos y here. That's what our m is. So from here, you have that what? Cos square y is equal to 1 minus sine square y. If you take the square root of both sides, you have that our cos y is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square y. Hence, this is equal to that our dy, the derivative of this is equal to what? 1 over what? Cos y is the whole of this. Now substitute this. 1 minus sine square y. Again. Okay, now, we still have our trig identity here. So, but we want to get rid of cos and sine. Now recall that our x is something, our sine square y is something, which is u. So sine y is u. So if sine y is u, that means sine square y will be u squared. This is equal to 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared. So the derivative of this is this number here. So this function here, we'll be substituting this in place of as our derivative here. So here we have 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared. Remember, you are solving this using chain rule. This is more like an aside. I actually know what this is, but it would be unfair to me to just give you the derivative, the answer. So this is more like something you solved aside to get the derivative of dy du of sine inverse of u. Is that clear? This chain rule, the formula for chain rule is dy dx is equal to dy du times du over dx. Right? Now, what's our What's our dy du? Our dy du is this. Our du dx is this. Hence, dy dx is equal to 2 over square root of 1 minus u squared. But recall again that our u is the whole of this. Recall that u is equal to 2x plus 5. Hence, our dy dx is equal to 2 over square root of 1 minus 2x plus 5 raised to power 2. As simple as that. You can decide to simplify your answer more, or you can leave it this way. Whatever you choose. Seems it's in terms of number and x, so you are not having any cos or sine. As simple as that.